Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I'm guest designing for Pink & Main using their September 2019 Crafty Courtyard kit. The theme is sweater weather since it is a fall kit, and I absolutely love making fall cards. This is a monthly kit, so quantities are always limited. Pink & Main opened up some more subscription spots on September 1st, so if you are interested, I suggest not waiting. Pink & Main does require subscribing for a minimum of 3 months, but their kits are always so fun. I've enjoyed every single kit I've used. So now let me show you everything that is included in the kit. The kits always arrive in these really cute pink boxes, and it's wrapped nicely with this turquoise tissue paper. First, you'll see the little information card, and it has the theme, it has the color palette, and then it has a list of everything that's included in the kit. And the one side is so cute. You could use this on a card. Next, you'll see your zippered project bag. So this has everything in the kit, excluding the cardstock. So let me go ahead and pull out the cardstock. All of the colored cardstock this month is made by Basil. So the very first color is this beautiful teal color, and it has a pearlescent finish on it. And then there's kind of a purplish burgundy color. There's orange. There's a gold, kind of a mustard yellow color. There's this bright green. It's really pretty. And then last, there's a piece of craft cardstock. And then there are 2 sheets of the ice rink white cardstock. So then next, let's get into the project bag. And this has all of the really fun items in the kit. So first up is the 6x6 paper pad. This is called Sweater Weather. It's a 24 sheet double-sided paper pad. Most of the designs have that sweater knit look to them, just with different patterns. Some are more of a tone-on-tone color, and then others have many different colors on them. And then mixed throughout the paper pad, there's also some tone-on-tone designs with sort of a diagonal checkered look to it. I love all of these vivid and bright colors, but it still has that autumn look to it. So that's really fun. I can't wait to start making cards with this paper pad. I really like how some of the sweater designs have that tiny little heart as part of the pattern. So that's super sweet. I don't think I've ever used pattern paper that has that sweater knit design in the background. So I'm looking forward to that. So there are 2 sheets of every design in the paper pad, so you'll have a lot to work with. And then next up is the stamp set, and I love this stamp set. It has some really great autumn sentiments, and then it has some of those smaller elements, the little acorn and the leaves. So if you really like to color, there's a little bit of coloring. And then it has some of the knitting for those borders, or you could make a background. So that's a lot of fun. And then there is a 6x6 leaf stencil. So I'm trying to show this so you can see it. You can see it against that pink paper there. So you could create your own backgrounds using that as well. And then there are 2 sheets of these craft label stickers. So a lot of the sentiments from this stamp set will fit perfectly on there. And then next up is the twine. You'll receive 3 yards of each of the colors. So there's a solid orange, and then there's the orange and white striped. And then there are 12 assorted tags. So there are 4 in the green, 4 of the orange, and then 4 in this cream color that's a little smaller size. And in addition to the twine, this month you'll also receive 3 yards of some brown rickrack. So I'm trying not to completely unravel this, but I'm still trying to show you the detail. So I think this brown is going to go so nicely with that paper pad. And then next up, you're going to receive 1 full spool of ribbon. And this has 5 yards of ribbon, and it has this beautiful fall leaf pattern all over it. I went ahead and removed that clear packaging so you could see the lovely pattern on this ribbon. And 5 yards of ribbon is really quite a bit, especially with the twine and the rickrack in this kit. I love seeing all these beautiful colors as I'm laying out everything from the kit. So next up, there is a package of metal charms. So there's a total of 5. There are 2 trees, there is 1 leaf, and then there's 2 little sets of acorns. Aren't those so sweet? The metal charms always make such a nice little embellishment on a card. And then next comes the sequin mix. And the colors look a little off on video here just because of my lights overhead, but it has sort of a teal color, some gold, and kind of a pinkish purple in a bunch of different sizes, so it's really pretty. And then every kit will receive 1 flare collector button, so this one has a sweater pattern, and then also 4 A2 size envelopes. It's so nice that they include envelopes. That way you're ready to go if you have a card finished and you want to send it off to a friend or family member. And then, of course, the 8.5 by 11 zippered project bag. This is such a nice item, super sturdy, and you can store other items in it after you've used up most of your kit. So there is everything that you will receive in Pink and Main's September 2019 Crafty Courtyard kit. I have included a link in the description box below if you are interested in subscribing to their kits. I always enjoy them. There's so much packed in each of them, since you get a full 6x6 paper pad and a great stamp set that you can reuse again and again. Coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using this kit, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.